Hello traders! If you like quick takes on innovative stocks, like and subscribe to help my small channel grow. Let's talk about one of the best drone stocks on the market. Ticker UAVS, AgEagle Aerial Systems. They develop, distribute drones and in the future other unmanned flying vehicles as well. In agriculture, drones will play a much bigger role than people imagine, in my opinion. For different analytics solutions or just managing how your crops are doing from above is very convenient, I imagine. The first product I'm going to mention from them is FarmLens, a subscription-based analytics service that processes data in order for farmers to grow more efficient and to know which crops are doing well and which are not. I think FarmLens is just the beginning in this sector for the company. I could imagine drones like putting out seeds in the future instead of man. I'm a huge drone bull, as you can hear maybe. So not only for the mentioned reasons, I think this is a good idea. In the far out future, I think drones will play a much bigger role in seeding these fields and just making life easier for farmers all around. So their second product is Hemp Overview, a map-based technology platform to support domestic industrial hemp programs. So I'm a huge bull on the hemp sector as well, so I like to see that. And the third product is basically just using drones as a park overview, where they basically just for security surveillance in recreational areas like big parks, and so on, like national parks, I would imagine, and stuff like that. Also for like rescue missions in the future to locating lost persons or identifying people on a tracking, tracking path. So they relocated their drone manufacturing facility to Wichita State, and they were very pleased by that, I read. Their revenue increased by 10x this year, if I'm not mistaken. Please correct me on that, but that's what I've read here in this article on Globe Newswire. As you can see, the price action is still amazing, even after the minus 50% drop here. In January, AgEagle, the 400 million heavy company, bought MicaSense, Europe's biggest drone group manufacturer, for $23 million. And it is said to be a huge bull flag for this company. But long speculation about a possible partnership with Amazon fell through. That's what an article from February 19th says. So this is a little concerning because a day before, Bonitas Research published a report that AgEagle might be a pump and dump instigated by founder Brett Chilcott. There are now investigations going on behalf of the stockholders. That's why the minus 50% drop is not really a surprise to me. I cannot wait to see what happens here, because if this turns out to be harmless, what I'm leaning to, then this could be the best sale of the spring. Honestly, I love this drone company. I've known it since like $2 or something. I've never bought in. I don't know why. I have too many stocks in my watch lists, I guess. So if AgEagle can survive the storm here, I think $8 will look like a typo next year. I see this stock multiplying, to be honest. But do not buy in just yet. So we could have an $8 support here, but I'm really not sure of it. I can see that dropping to $5 as well. Nobody knows. I think the investigations will tell us in which direction the stock price is going. So it's a pretty easy play. Just watch out for the news and then we'll know more. Because $8, I don't know if this is a strong support. We're on a strong downtrend here, and I don't see any channel reverses yet. But as I said, just be patient, just watch the news, and if you're invested in it, I would like average down, I guess. But yeah, it's unfortunate with a bad entry point. Trading is very hard. Honestly, I hope the stock price gets beat down even more. I want to be very cheap in situations like these and be a little extra careful. But because I never bought in, I'm pretty eager to do it. but I'm not pulling the trigger yet. Just tell me what your tactic, what your strategy is with this stock. I'm very interested in this one, but I'm not sure yet. But yeah, I think that they bought up Micah Sense is just a super strong sign for the future. I don't know what yells like being serious in the field more than buying up a other company established on another continent. And also this pump and dump Amazon stuff, it was like in a video of the daughter of the founder on Facebook, and it's really not that big of a deal in my opinion. But yeah, people gas it up a little bit. Maybe same stuff like what happened with Blink in August. These short seller reports really destroyed the Blink price for a few weeks just for people to buy in cheap. And yeah, just watch out for the market tricks out there. You never know who's telling the truth. But yeah, AgEagle, that's my stock pick. I really hope you liked it because I'm a huge fan of the company concept. I'm not saying I know the company through and through, but I will watch the stock price because I swing trade everything anyways. So if I'm investing in anything long term, I really say that specifically. But yeah, that's it for the stock. I wish you a good trade and I'll see you soon. Yeah.